have a vision for a project, an idea, or a business that you really want to get going on? And does creating a business plan, which people have told you to do, seem as boring and dull as having a root canal? Actually painful. How about creating a visual roadmap and getting your ideas out in the world? Instead of number crunching and tediously typing, we're going to play in an energizing 3-hour workshop with paint and a black marker and paintbrush, and you're going to capture your ideas out on watercolor paper on this sort of thing. If you're creative, this workshop is definitely for you. And if you're not creative, don't worry. I'm going to show you how to access your dormant creative self, and you're going to have a lot of fun as well. Saturday, February 12th from 1 to 4 p.m. You can find the info below. Join me. I'm Alyse Parise, and I would love you to attend.